Okay. Now, the first thing you do is that, as I said, we have to have a trading plan coming into the market. A trading plan is what we do every Sunday night. So we identify based on that the entry points to go long, and we identify the entry points to go short. I will explain everything you want. I will explain all of this. We have a couple of hours, so be patient. I'm repeating it. The long point means if you look here, let's take the pound yen. The pound yen, the long point is 148.73. We did our homework yesterday, and this was the point we are going to buy the pound yen at, is 148.73. So if the price is, yesterday the price was below 148.73. In the overnight, it started to come up, and it traded above the 148.73. So this means as soon as it gets above my long point, then now I want to be a buyer. Above, if the pound yen or any other pair gets above its long point, this means I have two choices to trade, to do anything with this pair. If it's above the long point, I can only buy, or I can choose to do nothing. Going short is not an option, because this means I am bucking the trend. I am going counter to the trend, and I'm going to get hurt. If it is below the short point, this means I only want to go short or to do nothing. Okay, that's the first thing. So that's the plan for the whole week. And guys, if you want to write these or send us an email if you want, and I can send you long points and short points for this week if you want. So just write, send it to, I will give you the email before the end of the session, and we will send you a screenshot with the long points on and these are valid for a whole week. You use them for the next 7 days until Friday. Next Sunday, we get together on the Sunday session and we do another plan or another trading plan for the following week. Now, that is part one. And these are the pairs. So if it's not above the long point, or if it's not below the short point, it is not included in our trade selection. I'm not even going to bother with it. I'm not going to waste my time. If you see, for example, the dollar yen, 92.75, 92.25, they are all white. All the numbers are in white. And the first line on top, all the numbers are in white. This means that the dollar yen is not above the buying point and it is not below my selling point. So I don't want, no, they have nothing to do with pivots. We don't use pivots. We don't use the moving average. We don't use anything of that stuff. That stuff, to me, that's my personal opinion, doesn't pay. We don't use it. And the people that are with us in the room, last month we did, based on following this system, and it's already documented, we did over 8,000 pips. And we are taking these trades live as of January 1st. We're taking these trades live. Last week we did 1,000 pips. So that's, to me, if that's giving me 1,000 pips every week, that's what I want. I don't want to take something that I don't understand and I don't know why it is making money. It's true. I mean, half of you guys are in the Sunday session with us. So if it's not above the long point, if it's not below the short point, I am not considering. Second thing, now we get into the session I'm trading. Now I'm trading London, New York session. I want to take the ones that are already in green above a point or below. So now I want to be short the dollar CAD. I am looking at the pound dollar. I am looking at the pound yen. I am looking at the Aussie yen, and I'm looking at the euro yen and the euro dollar. Also, I want to take the trades, and I'm choosing, I want Yes, of course, we teach everything in the classes. I mean, I'll answer all your questions later, guys, because I don't want to lose my track. So hold on 5 minutes when I finish this, because I want you to see that this is, well, I want to trade with you now. So once we identify this, now this begins, I have my selection for today. The dollar CAD, the pound yen, the pound dollar, the Aussie dollar, the Aussie yen, the euro yen, and the euro dollar. I got 6 pairs now. That's good. I want to be trading them, and they're all green, so I want to be trading them on the long side. I don't want to be short now. I want to be trading these guys on the long side. Fine. That's number one. The second thing I want the pairs that are going to move. I want to choose the pairs. Can you see the charts now? I just want somebody to type yes. Can you see the chart? Okay, good. Now, if you look at the pound yen, you'll see that our buying point, I'll show you on the radar screen, the pound yen, the buying point is 148.73. You see here, 148.73. This is what we did yesterday. That was the number, 148.73. So once we plan it yesterday, we put a horizontal line like this on my chart when we do our homework. And that's why you can come to the Sunday session, take these numbers and put them on MetaTrader, put them on wherever. So you come here, you put a line that say I'm going to go long above 148.70. I'm going to go 148.90, for example, I'm showing you. So you put the line like this, that I'm going to go to buy above 148. You give it a color green, and boom, right now you see it on your chart. So if you're trading at night and you don't know your trading plan, you don't want to keep on writing notes and stuff like that, having a single line like this, that this is your 148.90. This is your buying point. As soon as the prices come above it, you're going to buy. And that's what we took yesterday. It gets above this. This was in this morning in London. You take the buy above the 148.90. That's your buying point right there. And you don't have to think about it. Above 148.90, you only want to be a buyer or you do nothing. Going short anywhere over here, and anybody tells you resistance, blah, 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 moving average changing crossover, it doesn't pay. This is above my buy point, end of story, you buy.